All right, we stay in Maryland for this. A judge is blocking a proposed redistricting constitutional amendment from the November ballot. This could have reshaped the state's entire congressional map.
But this fight is far from over. Reporter John Gonzalez is live this morning to explain.
Hey, Adriana, good morning. Yeah, this judge in Anne Arundel County says the General Assembly in Annapolis failed to follow election laws it passed earlier this year and has ruled that the ballot language itself was misleading. This is a huge blow for those who want to redraw the lines here in Maryland. The amendment approved during a special session this month would have changed how Maryland's Constitution applies redistricting standards to congressional districts. Reaction is starting to come in this morning from both sides. House Speaker Jocelyn Pena-Melnick believes Maryland voters should have the opportunity to decide, while Republicans challenge the measure, arguing lawmakers did not follow proper process. The Maryland Freedom Caucus says Marylanders deserve a government that follows the law and answers to the people, and that judge has agreed this week, ordering the State Board of Elections to keep question 3 off the November ballot. But there is a major caveat here. He immediately stayed that order to allow an appeal. So this now heads to Maryland's highest court, with election deadlines quickly approaching, and the outcome could have major implications for Maryland's congressional maps in the future. Back to you inside.
Holy cow, John. I mean, all of the back and forth on this is enough to make your head spin, and there's not a lot of time to bring it to fruition. So what is the timeline for all of this, considering, the midterms are in a few months?
Yeah. You can expect this legal battle to be fast-tracked. The State Board of Elections has a deadline, the end of the month, to certify the November ballot. So now Maryland Supreme Court could have the final say in this after this appeal, because, again, election officials are trying to get that November ballot ready to go.
Those judges going to have to get rolling then. All right, John, thank you.